Okay, guys, you're gonna be so upset with me. This video was getting it got cut off from the last time. I just took all the stuffing out so you guys can see the inside. This is the pocket, and it has that wipeable inside that the Speedy is supposed to come with. The zipper is smooth. Let's see, can I get you guys all in the inside of this bag? And I'm going to tell you some things. Now, let me just say this first. This is the closest thing that I've done seen that's a replica bag that's close to. Look at the sheen on the bag. Gorgeous. Look at the sheen. Joy does have a good monogram, and you do have to, you know, I guess put a little oil on it to give it a shine. Some people say it gets a sheen with wear. I mean, I haven't got any sheen with the bag that I wear from Joy, but it's still, like I said, it is Joy Zone was the closest texture and the coloring. Joy Zone was spot on. This one is spot on. It has the coloring, the sheen, it has the feel that my Eva clutch has. It doesn't have the same smell. This doesn't smell like, you know, the regular bags that we get. It have that, you know, chemical smell like factory or whatever. This doesn't have the smell, but it doesn't have the smell as this either. What I can say is the bag is gorgeous. Don't get me wrong. These are the cons that I have with this bag. For one, the seller, when we were emailing, you know, Instagram DMing or whatever it is. Okay, you know, she was saying, you know, the bag comes, you know, with the Louis Vuitton box, and shipping is, I got 2 items. Shipping was $60. It's $50 for the first item on shipping, and it's $10 additional for each item you add. She was telling me, okay, yeah, you get the Louis Vuitton box, you know, so I'm thinking, okay, yeah, I see that's why it's $50, because I guess, you know, it's going to be a little heavy because you're shipping the box. No, when I got this damn bag, I mean, when the package came, I'm like, this is a little small, you know, to be to have a Louis Vuitton box inside. Open up the box, it was no box. It came in this dust bag. The dust bag does feel like my authentic dust bags from Louis Vuitton. It's a way better quality dust bag, but I ain't buy this damn bag for the dust bag. I thought you was giving me a goddamn box. Don't sit around and play in my face, boo. So, okay, back to that. So, you know, she was telling me, you know, the bag, you know, it's mirror image. I know. It's mirror image, you know, to the authentic. So I'm thinking everything should be spot on this bag. What I didn't like was, and I know it's going to be on the inside, so that really doesn't matter to me. But when you tell me, you know, this is authentic quality, you know, it mirrors the best. This is the best out there that you can find. All your info need to match with what you say. Listen, if I'm purchasing the world tour, and this bag came out, if I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong, summer 17, right? Okay, summer 17. So, why, if this bag comes out summer 17, why the date code doesn't match that? When you're doing a mirror image bag and you're charging that much, your date code should match when these bags, you know, was produced. And it should have had a, you know, even a 18 sticker, a 17. This is the date code that they have in this. There we go. TH2186. So if I'm not mistaken, that means the 28th week of 2016. The World Tour was not produced in 2016. So therefore, you went wrong with me. Now I feel like you playing in my face and you lying. Because I don't feel like, if it's mirror quality, you need to have the inside and the outside mirror quality. That's what you need to have. But that's the thing that, you know, rubbed me wrong with her. And I DM'd her, and you know, I told her, you know, so you said it was coming with a box. It didn't come with the box. You said everything was gonna match. The outside matched the authentic. Don't get me wrong. I'm not complaining about everything about the outside. I truly love. But like I said, don't tell me this bag is coming with a box. You know, you're gonna get a box, a receipt. You know, and then the date code is wrong. Like, if I was to go in the store and put this on the counter, and it's supposed to be a counter replica, that means you should be able to go in the store, put this bag on the counter, and they should be able to look at this bag in and out and don't even know it is not what it is. This date code is all wrong. You know, so I email her with my questions or whatever. So I'm going to see what she says back, because I feel like you represented it wrong. So I need some kind of compensation for that, because I feel like I paid $349 plus $50 shipping. That's $400 fucking dollars. Like, you know, and I paid through PayPal. So if she don't want to resolve the issue with me, I will go through PayPal and I will get some of my money back. So but until we resolve that issue, because I don't want anyone having the same, you know, that's why a lot of people was, you know, was emailing me, you know, about, you know, giving the premium seller. And I was telling everybody, no, because you know, you spending $400 and something. I'd rather wait until, you know, let me get the bag and see the quality before I give anybody else, you know, else. I mean, $400, it's not a lot of money, but I could do a lot of things with $400 and not purchase a bag that you know, that you represented to me wrong. So with that being said, like I said, the bag is perfect on the outside. No problems. It's perfect. Don't get me wrong. If you want something that's close to the authentic as possible, I say yes. I say yes to this bag. So yeah, I'm going to see if she messages me, you know, back, because she was pretty quickly to do it even after I ordered. And I was, you know, asking her about other things that she had on the site. And then I'm going to show you guys, I ordered the Gucci rhinestone slides. I'm going to show you those two. I'm very disappointed in them. I told her, you going to have to give me a refund. I told her about that. The bag, I'm not so worried about, but I do want some type of compensation, because you didn't send me a box. The date code doesn't match up when this bag should have been produced. You should have had a 17 or 18 year, you know, when this bag was produced. It doesn't have that. So I feel like you represented it wrong. The strap, this is a strap. I haven't attached it yet. So let me go ahead and, can I shake this out? This is the strap. This is a strap.
Oh, no, 100 is good. 100 is perfect. Did you ever get 100? No.
The strap is perfect. Let me see how it smells. Okay, it smells like leather. And this is the back side of the strap. But yeah, the stitching is perfect. This is the hardware. The shiny clasp. And on here you have, yeah, it doesn't look as shiny as this. It looks a little duller. I'll just have to take off the paper and see. Yeah, but the strap is pretty good. Overall, like I said, it's a good bag. This is stitching on the handles. So I'm just going to leave this video at that. Like I said, I love the bag. Just the little minor details that I have a problem with. Don't tell me something and then have me expecting something and then don't get it. So I feel like you're going to run me some of my money back. So, but this is the Eva clutch compared to this. I might need to stuff it again because it's just flat lining right now. So this is the, guys, look at it. Look at it. You can't even tell any difference. You got the sheen, the coloring is spot on. Everything about the outside of this bag is perfect, just like the authentic. It is, but it's just the minor details that I have a problem with. But I'm gonna come back and do another video on the of the slides that I got. But I told her, you know, I did email her and let her know, hey, I don't know if you want these returned or however you want them, but I don't want them. You need to give me my money back. So we'll see what she has to say. But yes, again, guys, this bag, when I can say it's premium quality. You can't tell the difference. I mean, look at the sheen already on this bag. No oil, no nothing. Just got it out of the package, out of the dust bag it came in. So, with that being said, would I recommend this bag? Hell yeah. But the seller got some explaining to do first. So before I can give you guys any of you know, their information, I need to get some understanding and clarity from her that when someone order something from her, it comes with what you telling them. Like, I still have the you know, the private messages that we sent to each other about, you know, what the bag comes with, this and that. So it's not like she gonna tell me, oh no, I didn't say that. Yes, boo, you did say it. So, but I will recommend this bag, or if they have any other premium items, bags that you want, shoes, don't order no fucking shoes from them. No, stick with the bag. I will say this is a premium quality bag. I just don't like that I got to stuff it and get him some shape to it because it's just collapsing. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna stuff it real quick and try to get that one little fold out of it and take the rest of the paper off. And I'm gonna wear this bag outside today. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna put this on. But the piping on the bag looks perfect. Let's see. So the handles. Yeah, everything about the outside of this bag I love. Like I said, I will recommend this seller to you if you want a premium item and you want to look like you just walked out the store with it. But I don't want to feel like I just walked out the store with it and the date code don't match up when this bag was produced. But until next time, oh, well, stay tuned. I'm going to show you the slides just for reference. So if you do go on the site and you see some slides that you want, just remember me. I'm telling you, don't order any shoes from them. Stick with the bags because, like I said, the premium quality is a great bag. It looks just like the authentic, same sheen, coloring, spot on. Everything is spot on to the authentic. But until, oh yeah, let me just go ahead and cut this video short because I'm trying to put this bag on to go outside. So I'll be back, guys, for the video about the Gucci slides, and I'll keep you updated from what she tells me about the why the date code doesn't match when the bag was produced, and why I didn't get the box, and the whole 9 yards. So just stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching.